Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up this home screen. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell button. Do not forget to like and share.
You're a superhero.
Having problems downloading these necessary apps? Watch the video by clicking the I button. Let's begin the tutorial right away. Download and extract the backup file from the video description. Apply it as wallpaper. Restore the Nova backup now. To restore, simply Choose Other, pick Nova Launcher, and click OK. Create the widget. Search S82 to receive search results. Ensure that Pi for KWGT is installed. Last step, simply save and exit. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the future video. Until then, I'm signing off.